everybody, because you will never see him again. Oh yeah, I hope you know what you got yourself into here. It's called the boat. We got any first timers on the cruise with us? Oh, all right, one right here. Any last timers? That should have been all of you. Welcome aboard the world famous Jungle Cruise. My name is Maddox and I'll be your skipper for as far as we get today. Just a reminder before we get too deep here, please remain seated with those hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat for me. Make sure you're watching over all those beautiful children. The ugly ones too. And coming up on the left here, the first thing we'll see today is that Himalayan tiger. I like to call him that because Himalayan over there. Well, him a standing. Sorry about that. Yeah, careful for Ginger. Ginger snaps. She's one tough cookie. And if any of you needed some concrete evidence you were seeing elephants, there it is. As we enter our jungle, we'll arrive here in our sacred elephant bathing pool. And wow, look at that, you guys got lucky. The whole herd's out, that's unheard of. Feel free to take pictures, everyone. They all got their clothes on. And you know what, if we actually stop here for a minute and listen in, we might be able to hear one of these elephants calling out to its mother. Hey, Ma! Wow. Did you guys hear that elephant? Yeah, nature sure is crazy today, huh? And whoa! Squirt here is trying to get you guys wet. Sorry about that. He should know better. Anyways, there he goes again. Duck, duck, duck! Goose. That was some dry humor. I never put you guys in any danger. Come on. Oh, look. Danger. Wow. Try not to make any banana sounds, please. They do find it appealing. And if you thought they were excited about those guns, well, they just flipped over that Jeep. Now we'll never get it to turn over. And coming up here on the right-hand side, hey, there's something you don't see every day. I do though. That's our very greedy gorilla. As you can see, he wants that whole bundle of bananas all for himself. And if you guys like banana jokes, I've got a bunch. So, what kind of key do you need to open a banana? A monkey. Now we're turning down the Nile because it's too loud. Goes on for Niles and Niles and Niles. And if you don't believe me, well, you're in. That's very close. A boat. Here to my left, you'll see my best friend, Bobo. Can we all say hi, Bobo? Goodbye, Bobo. And here at the end of the Nile, you'll see my other friend, Dwayne, the Rock. And just ahead on land, looks like we got some stripy horses out for you. Looks like we also got some horses with beards, horses with horns. Those tall ones in the back are actually called trees. And look at how the lions watch over that sleepy zebra. He looks dead tired. And oh my goodness, are you guys seeing what I'm seeing? There's a bird nest on top of that tree. And here to the left, I don't know, we might see, oh dear! I don't know about this one, friends. There's a lot of hippos here. We should be okay. As long as they're not wiggling their ears, blowing bubbles. If they do try and charge the boat, don't worry. I only take cash. Exactly what they're doing. If you cover your ears, I'll scare them off. And they're actually terrified of that sound. For a minute there, I thought they were really going to rush the boat. I mean, Bunch of hypocrites, huh? Too bad I couldn't hippopotamus. The other day somebody told me my job is so easy, a monkey can do it. Boy, did that hurt. I was just like, that's ridiculous. I've never even seen a monkey drive a boat. It just sounds so... Oh. That doesn't really count. Those are apes. I'd tell you the difference between an ape and a monkey, but it's a long tail. And coming up here to my right, you'll get a good look at our lovebirds. They enjoy giving each other butterflies, but those butterflies just aren't what they used to be, huh? Caterpillars. I know it bugs me. And there it is right behind me, the eighth wonder of the world. Beautiful as ever. Breathtaking, I know. Here it is, the back side of water. Woo! Oh yeah, before I forget, ahead on the left. My boss tells me this is a great spot for fishing. Says the fish out here always giving a bite. I know, that sounds a little fishy, but we'll check it out. Oh, does anybody here like to fish? Oh, we might be out of luck then, because we've got very hungry, very scary, terrifying bubbles in the water. Wow! You know, normally I come out here and see a couple of fish, but I am so glad we saw those bubbles right now. Don't mind that snake in the tree, that's just my ex. And there it is, our lost and found slash gift shop. If you lost it, we found it at a great price. Oh, so many monkeys here today. Looks like that one's kind of set a record. Okay, I'd like to leave Ellie here in charge. She's our elephant to my right. And a lot of people think that's water coming out of Ellie's nose, but it's not. And before we take off from here, you guys want me to show you the ropes? There you go. And just a reminder as we're headed back here, please remain seated with those hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat for me. Once again, my name was Skippermatic, and I hope you all had a good time. I had such a good time, I'll be going around again. But seriously, out of all my boats today, you guys were definitely the most recent. And I don't know, maybe you guys thought that was a little weird. Maybe you thought I was crazy. Well, if you look across the street, that's a little bizarre.